Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be learning a Samba practice routine for coordination and memory. By the way, we are doing research for a new program, so if you would like to help us out, we will put more information in the description below. Okay guys, let's start with the first section. We have our right foot behind. We are going to do a cruzado walk, then we're gonna go into a whisk. From here, we're gonna go into a slow volta, 2 quick voltas, and then we're going to do a slow whisk and another slow whisk. Okay, now with the counts, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, a 7, a 8. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8. All right, now for the second section, we just finished that slow whisk, and now we're gonna go side together forward, and we're gonna go run, run, run. We're gonna do a box, left foot going forward, forward, side, back, back, side, forward, and side step. We're gonna shake to the left, shake to the right, circular volta with that left foot going in front, circle, circle, 7, 8, and then back to the beginning. Alrighty, now with the counts, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alrighty guys, all together with counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, a 7, a 8. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'll do it again with counts, but facing the back. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty guys, now with slow music. And now with normal tempo. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!